Testing, 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 1, 2. Are we live? I believe we're live. Hey, Tech 111, there's someone here. Let's go. How we doing, Tech? We are live at 2 o'clock. Good morning, Randy. Or not, I'm going to say good morning like 100 times. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Randy. Micro Player, Scalping with Tom, RH. Steven, Taylor. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Black Coffee. Let's go, Black Coffee. How, I gotta ask, Black Coffee, how are you feeling? Man, I just realized I look very red in the... I am, slightly sunburned a little bit. And the man, the myth, the legend is here. That's right. Traitorous Chick, good afternoon. Steve, good afternoon. Kevin, good afternoon. Let's go. Let's see if we can get some trades in this afternoon. We took very few trades in the overnight session. Took one trade and a very quick stop out on these 150K accounts. And these 50K take profit accounts only need one more day. One more day of trading, and we will have 4 funded take profit trader accounts. And all 4 of those are your guys' account. Actually, you know what? I'm going to claim one of the 50K accounts. You guys get to have 3 of them. So we have 3 funded 50K accounts. So, I mean, I'm going to pick... Actually, you know what? We're going to do something. This is maybe a little bit crazy, but I'm going to do something. And I'm going to... Don't tell your friends, but I'm going to open it up for the public. For the chat trader, but we're going to only do it if you're here right now. So let's I'm going to do it. The giveaway, this is not a giveaway. This is to see who the chat trader of the afternoon is going to be. Exclamation mark Nutty. We're not going to do a duck race. I'm literally going to close this in 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, we're going to close it. Whoever gets chosen, you get to determine, you get to choose the trades for the rest of the afternoon. And again, this is the account we're going to be trading. We already have $1,300 in profit on it. We only need $700 more dollars. If we get $700 more dollars, anything after that, and we will be able to get some payouts, and the payouts will be a 50-50 profit split. And obviously, whoever does some of the trading, they're going to get a portion, and then it's going to be just the rest of it is going to be given away to the chat. So good luck. You got 3 minutes to go, and no pressure. No pressure. Where's Timbo, by the way? I'm still looking for Timbo. Timbo, I feel like Timbo did us dirty. Timbo did a hit and run last week. I think it was last week. Timbo did a hit and run. He nuked our chat account, which is okay, but I haven't seen him since. Can't have that. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to be scared. All right, market. It does start to kind of, I mean, we've had a couple times here where it kind of felt like we're going to make a move higher, and then it just immediately followed with a big sell-off. So let's see. But man, guys, we got to talk about this crazy market. Man, I feel actually, I am very, I don't know, I'm very thankful that I have not, I'm very thankful that I haven't been trading as much the last week. I have not been trading that much this past week, and I feel like it's a good thing. All right. I'm not yeah. Hopefully we can stream till 3:30, 4 o'clock ish. We'll see. The wife is not feeling quite as good today. So I might have to go in and out and just kind of try to keep Cody so she can get some rest. Hey Diego, I haven't had a setup this whole week. It's been nice for my psychology. Hey, there you go, G. Honestly, right now I feel like, I mean, it's just, this is some crazy, it's just, this market is so crazy lately. Like, look at this move here. Like, this move here from the 280s up to the 380s. This is a 100-point move. It looks like it's a 20-point move. This is 100 points. It's just wild. And I feel like I don't know. It is very difficult to trade this. Or it's difficult, or it's so easy. I should rephrase. This market is so easy to get trapped in a trade. It's so easy. So easy to get in on the wrong side of a trade. And before you even blink, even with micros, you can be down $5, $7, $1,000 just like that. And it almost puts you in a panic mode, or it almost makes you freeze up and you don't even know what to do. All right, guys, the giveaway is over. This is not a giveaway. Sorry. We are going to do a giveaway later, but we are now going to choose who the chat trader is going to be for this afternoon. Here we go. I'm not going to do a duck race. We're just going to quickly pick, and let's see. Let's see who it is. I'm hoping this is someone, I don't know. I just hope it's someone familiar. Anyway, whoever it is, good luck, and let's go. Let's see who it's going to be. And in 3, 2, 1, boom! I am John. I am Johnny. I am Johnny will be the chat trader. I'll be honest, does not seem like a familiar name. We could be in dangerous territory here, guys. I guess we're just going to have to wait and see. I am Johnny. Please type in the chat. Oh, I'm sorry, Gary. Can you request the buffer? Dantaloy Dan, you can request $500 into your buffer. So you can request $500 into the buffer. Hey, I am Johnny. He says he's new. Are you up for the challenge? I am Johnny. This is totally up to you. All of chat, we're going to put this in your hands. Are you comfortable taking trades on the chat account? I will, if it gets too crazy, I'll step in, but I'll let you a fair shot. Are you trustworthy, Johnny? That's what we need to know. That's what we need to know. I don't mind if someone like, Johnny, here's what I want. I want you to take trades that you would take, and I don't want you to just, which I'm not going to allow them. I'm not going to just allow you to go max contracts. So you let me know. What is the chat account? So it's this account right here. This account right here, we already have $1,390 in profit. We only need $700 more, and then we're above the profit threshold for Take Profit Trader. And above that, we can withdraw daily. So once we're in the withdraw daily, we will basically be withdrawing, and we'll be giving back 50% of those profits to the chat. So yeah, repeat after me. I am Johnny. I promise to make responsible decisions before trading the chat account. If you don't want to do it, it's okay. We can pick someone else. But if you want to do it and you feel good with it, then I'm going to let you do it. Obviously, I will make the final decision on any trades, but we never know. Maybe we found a diamond in the rough here. maybe we found a diamond in the rough, and you know, maybe he's gonna get us there to the, maybe Johnny's gonna get us to the promised land. Can he do it? If you fail, yeah, I am Johnny. If you blow the account, you might want to change your name. No, I'm serious, Johnny. It's totally up to you. I don't want to scare you out of doing it. If you feel comfortable doing it, I want to give you that opportunity. You let someone else do it? Is that your final answer? It's okay. If that's your final answer, we'll go with that. But I also don't want to scare you in it. All right. Okay, Mikey. I know Mikey would do it. Diego, you would scalping with Tom. Okay, maybe next time. Okay, that's okay, Johnny. I appreciate you. That's okay. All right, we're gonna pick another name. We are going to pick another name. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Hey, Neil, good to see you. Good afternoon. Golf Guy Mike, good to see you. Scalping with Tom. Okay, here we go. Here it is. Manual. Okay, Manual. Please type in the chat. That, man, I don't, that might be someone new as well. Does not sound familiar. How do we put the name in? It was open about 5 minutes ago. Manual, are you with us? I'm watching the Players Championship, Kid Poker. Kid Poker, don't blink. Oh, I can't watch. I can't show it long. YouTube will catch me. Limit new people to 1 micro only. Yeah, I will limit their size a little bit. Maybe 2 micros, but we will definitely limit them somewhat. It's a Latin name, not manual. Oh, it is? Oh, dear. I butchered the name. Okay. Okay. Manuel? Oh, is it Manuel? Oh. Sorry. I will rephrase. Manuel, are you here? I feel like I just called someone a mule. Okay. Last call. Okay, Manuel is out. Okay, next name. Come on, give us someone familiar here. Here we go. Okay, really? Manuel. I don't know who this guy is either. I don't know. I'm butchering that name, am I not? It's terrible, but I can't help it. My 8th grade education is getting the best of me. Okay, you know what? Here we go. Another name. I'm going to pick one until I find a name that okay, here's what we're going to do. You know what? I was hoping to do this quickly. but this is not panning out that way. I'm gonna do an executive decision. Hey, there's someone we know. Stephen Arthur Schaefer. Oh wow, look at this market going for it's ripping. Okay, we got to pay attention. Okay, we have officially we have a person. Stephen Arthur Schaefer. You are officially the chat trader of the afternoon session. If you choose, you can obviously decline if you want, but I trust you that you can do it. So it's let's do this. Wow, what a rip higher here in the afternoon session here. We have the 200. This 200 seems to be holding up. Again, the daily chart, this is crazy, man. Look at how much we've sold off It wasn't that long ago. We were at the 20,000 level, and we're breaking the 19,000 level or getting close to it. Crazy. All right. Stephen Arthur Schaefer says he is down to clown. I like it. I like it. All right, let me get this set up. So all right, I will try to pay attention. Stephen Arthur Schaefer, as soon as you see something that you like, you let me know. ATA, ATA. You just tell, first of all, Stephen, tell me what size you plan to trade. Tell me what size. Scalping is okay, but it probably will be a little bit difficult. Tell me what kind of ATM strategy you want me to have. Tell me your size that you want to trade. Then I can get that ready. And we will... Okay, 2 micros. All right, sounds good. I like 2 micros. 2 micros is a good size. $10-point target, 30-point stop loss. Okay, I like it. So we got 10-point target. That's 40 ticks. And we have 30-point stop loss. That's 70 ticks. All right, I like it. Okay, we are ready to roll, boys. We are ready to rumble. Frank Costanza, good afternoon. Perry, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. I know this is a very weird time for me to be streaming, but we are here. We're here, man. We're alive, we're alert, and we're enthusiastic. Let's do this. I had a terrible round of golf this morning, in case anybody was wondering. I completely forgot how to hit a golf ball. And I was very frustrated. So it was still fun. I was playing with a good friend of mine, but man, I don't know what's wrong. I cannot hit my driver again. I'm so frustrated. I thought I had fixed my driver issues, and they are back. The driver issues are back, and they are back with a vengeance. And I'm not happy about it. But I'm on the 3-minute chart. You tell me what minute. Actually, that's a good point. I will go to whatever chart you want. 3-minute it is. Save your good game for next week. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what is wrong. Everything is just... I forgot how to play. But anyway, that's for another day. All right, market. Are we going to... Is this just going to fall apart again and make new lows? Can we hit 485 on the Qs? I don't know. I do not know. By tomorrow? Man, you're asking the wrong person. I don't know. I wish I would know. If I would know, I would make a lot of money. Just joined late. Scottish Futures Trader, good to see you. Good afternoon. Perry Dolia, good afternoon. It's kind of interesting to me. Like, I see a lot of different or new names trading in like the afternoon session. I actually was considering maybe switching up my schedule like a little bit, or at least maybe when we get back home, like when I get back to Ohio. Okay, if this bar closes green without taking out the previous high, let's go long. Okay, so if this closes green, I think I know what you're talking. I think I know what you mean. Wait a minute. Why? What is going on? Okay, we got 5 seconds left and we're going to enter. I'm pretty sure I understand that right. Here we're in. Okay, boys, we're in. Did I do that right? I hope I did that right. Stephen Arthur. Let me know where you want the stop loss. If you want to move it, we could move it to the lows here if you want, or we leave it right where it is. Your choice. But I see what you're doing. I like it. Under the low, I like it. Right here, we'll have the stop loss right there. Keep the target at 40. We can cancel the missing person report. Nutty is back. We are back, baby. Let's go. Apex payout approved. Let's go. I'm very very happy. We're having a great week. Even though I think we lost some Apex accounts, those 50Ks, we definitely had a tough going on some of those, but that's nothing even to be concerned about. We have officially secured. We officially have breached 40,000 in payouts for the year. That's awesome. Lots of good things. All right, market, come on, give it to us. Rip this thing higher. I like this setup, though. I really do. I actually might take it on my Apex accounts. If we break this, I'm going to take this same thing on my... This is the 4 Apex 50K accounts that we'll be trading here. All right, right here, just a nice pop up through it. We should, if this pops up through it, we should get filled on this very quickly. Very quickly, I think. Okay, right here, we got to pop right here. Come on, do it. Do it. It's being sluggish. We have faith. We have faith. Push. Come on, baby. It's almost there. Nicely done, Steven. Let's go, Steven. Steven with the first trade and win. Let's go. All right, I don't want to see... I want to see this make new highs. I kind of want to get... I kind of messed up my ATM here. All right, we need to redo this. Hang on. What was that? Hang on. All right, I'm going to try to just keep... I want to give it a chance here. Come on. Rip it here. Oh, yeah. I like this. Go, baby. Go, 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 go. You can do it. I will take my profit here if I see it start to weaken here. All right, I'm out. All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. Move on to the previous one, keep the target. All right, cool. Good job, Steven. Let's go. All right, we did break above that high just by a hair, a couple ticks, but we let's see if we rip above this 320s or not. We need to get above this, or that worries me if we don't. All right. Hey, we only need 570 more dollars. 570 more dollars. Let's do this. Come on. Let's do this. I really want to see this chat account. I really want to get daily payouts on this account. That would just be so much fun. So much fun. But we are struggling here a little bit. Let's go, Stephen Arthur. Stephen Arthur with the $10. Thank you. You made us money. You made the chat money. And you donated $10? Man. Let's go. Let's go, Stephen. Thank you, Stephen. I appreciate it. Don't tempt me with a good time, Pine Tree. Don't tempt me. Stephen, it's up to you. You can, I mean, it's your choice. You can choose to trade as many trades as you want. You're not limited to one trade. You get to choose, basically, for the rest of the live stream, you are in charge of the chat account. That is basically how it goes. So you just let me know if you see something and I'll try to follow suit. Let's go, Stephen Arthur with a W. All right. Now, let's see. This is trying to get above this imbalance low right here. Man, it's just crazy. This market, see right here, like this downtrend in the overnight session, like that is what I love trading this. But last night, usually I wake up and I check the markets, and if I see a nice trend developing, I'll jump in. But last night I was so tired for some reason. I was super tired, went to bed, and I woke up this morning. I had to get up. Listen, guys, listen. Listen to how rough my life is. Okay? I'm telling you. I had to get up this morning at 6:30 this morning to go golfing. I have a hard life over here, I'm telling you. It's rough. It's rough over here. I had to get up at 6:30, drive 50 minutes for the golf course, and had to play 18 holes of golf. And but we survived. It was a hard day at work, but we got it done. We got it done. I'm just kidding. I know I have it made. You know, I do actually pinch myself sometimes. I pinch myself. I'm like, is this real? Am I actually living this life? I am I'm very blessed. Yes, golf, pool. I skipped the pool part. The kids are actually in the pool. Well, actually, I think they just got out of the pool, but they've been. But I need to start using different sunscreen or something, because I just keep getting burned like crazy. I'm so warm right now. I am like really warm. Yeah, sounds like a rough life. No, I'm actually kidding. I'll keep you in my prayers. Thank you, Mikey. It is an in-ground pool. Yes, Gary BB. No, it's not ours. We're staying here in Florida. We're just renting. We're just renting, and I can't believe that we're actually 2 weeks away. We are 2 weeks away from packing up, going back to Ohio. And I have mixed feelings. I have really mixed feelings. Because on one side, like, I love the weather here in Florida. It's awesome. Like, that's the main, like, attraction. But going back home, oh, I might actually cry. I actually might cry when we go home and we get to be in our own home again. Oh, I can't. I actually can't wait. I am so looking forward to. I don't know. I'm just looking forward to having our own home again, our own stuff, and my lawn. Oh, I can't wait to mow my lawn for the first time. It's gonna be a celebration that first time I mow the lawn. I cannot wait. Ah. But we're right. Usually the first mow doesn't happen until like end of May or end of April, start of May, I think, something like that. So, but I'm just looking forward to it. And being close to family and friends is going to be so nice. Oh man, the countdown is on for Nutty to come out of the closet. Officially. Hey, John. Hey, how we doing? Good afternoon, John. Good to see you. Let's trash the place. Welcome home party at Nutty's place. Oh, let's go. We might have to make some kind of party. You know what I'm not looking forward to? You know what I am absolutely dreading? And it makes me want to puke. I honestly would pay someone I would pay someone legitimately good money to just come in, pack everything up, and move it home, and let me just fly home. I would pay pretty good money for that. Problem is, I don't think I would trust anyone to do it. I would be so paranoid that they would break my computer, break my monitors, or break other stuff. So, I don't know. It is what it is. We'll get through it. John, welcome home party. It wouldn't be you, John, if I didn't have at least one typo. I love to see it. I know, actually, Trader's Chick, I actually was looking into that. I was looking into it, and I was doing some calculations, and I was looking at how much it costs. And I was like, gosh, I'm not rich enough for that. It's like it's like $2,000 to $3,000 to get someone to actually move and bring everything home for me. And I'm like, I can do it myself. I mean, $3,000. I mean, I can buy like 2 sets of 20 funded Apex accounts for that. Almost. That's a little too steep for me. I'm not rich enough to pay that kind of money. That's just too much. Too much. I know. Very funny, Steven. That money's gone. The IRS, everybody wants a piece of it. It's gone. After how I traded today, I might be for hire. Let's go, Pine Tree Trader. Maybe I could get some viewers to I can do a giveaway. I'll do a duck race, and whoever wins the duck race, they get to come pack up my stuff for me. Oh dear. It's like, hey, congratulations, you win. And as a prize, you get to pack everything up, load it in a trailer. You actually get punished, but you will like it. That would probably not be it. It cost me $1,000 for someone to haul stuff to the junkyard for me. Jeez. $3K can pay for Nutty Nutty's Wendy's. That would pay for Wendy's for a year. John, you're afraid they will go through my underwear drawer. They'll find all my Speedos. Uh-oh, I just outed myself. Yikes. Uh-oh. You know how the old, why is it in Florida? Someone needs to answer this for me. Can someone explain to me, when you go on the beach, okay, like when you go to the beach here in Florida, I've always been curious, why is it that the only dudes, the only guys that wear Speedos are 80 to 90-year-old grandpas? Why? Why? Oh, I could never understand that. Hey, Orlando, plus 1,700 on the day. Let's go. They don't care. Yeah, I feel like that's probably true. They're at a point in life. You know what? I'm looking forward to when I'm at that point in life where you just really do not care. Like, whatever you look like, that ship has sailed, right? It's like, once you get to a certain age, that ship is just sailed. There is no amount of surgery. There's no amount of dieting. There's no amount of eating healthy or anything like that. There's just nothing that you can do. You're just gonna look old. It's just how life is. And at that point, you just do not care. You do not care anymore. And you can tell, those are the grandpas, the old dotties out there on the beach wearing Speedos, and they just couldn't care less. They don't care. It hurts my eyes. It burns my eyes, but here we are. What can you do? There should actually be a law against it. Like, at some point, I feel like there definitely are some laws being broken. I mean, let's be serious. Nobody in their right mind wants to see that. Nobody. But they don't care. All right, here we go. Market is holding this very, very nicely. And this is starting to look like we're just going to, I want to see if we get above this 380, and then we have VWAP up here at the 417s. I'm a little hesitant. I don't know. I don't know that I don't buy this move higher. I'm not sure that I'm fully on board with this. We will all be there one day. That is true, Steve. We will all be there. We are all going to be there one day. Last stream in Florida. I will say this. I do have finally, for the first time in a very, very long time in my life, I actually have tan lines. So that's getting pretty dangerous. We've got color. I'm not sure what kind of color it is, but you know what? Hey, give me 1 second. I'm not sure my air conditioning is turned on in this bedroom, and it feels like an oven. Give me a minute. And we're back. Look at this, just grinding higher. Grinding higher. I just started trading last week, so I'm taking her slow. I think 5 minis to start should be reasonable. Trev, you might want to reconsider. You might want to reconsider. Hey, Amakre, thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Both of my GMAs were grandma grandma were 96 when they died. I was so lucky. They were amazing people, great generation, and World War II prisoner, amazing story. Oh, wow, that's amazing, John. You know, there's like a grandma, grandpa, like when, as long as they have like a sound mind, it, we have to treat and respect and listen to those people a lot more than what we do. I always enjoy listening to like grandpa. Unfortunately, my grandpa, when he was about, my grandpa on my mom's side, he passed when my mom was just, I think, 6 years old. So I never got to meet him. But my grandpa on my dad's side, he got Alzheimer's, and he did not have a sound mind, you know, kind of when I started to, I'm not sure what age I was actually, probably 19. I'm not sure, but you have a grandpa or grandma that have a sound mind, um, yeah, that's something to treasure. On my wife's side, I have I really appreciate, but yeah, it's just you never know. We just keep growing older, you know? That is something that also is just kind of crazy. Do you guys do the same thing that I do? Like I'm going through life and I'm still pretending like I'm 25. Like in my mind, I think I'm 25 years old, and then I look around and I'm like, wait a minute. Why are my kids growing up so fast? Why is my oldest son now almost turning a teenager? What happened? Just goes by so fast. Oh, targeting 395. Oh wow, you're long at 339. Let's go, Orlando. That's awesome. Yeah, don't blink. Time flies. It really does. It really does. Hey, we just gotta appreciate the life we have. Be thankful, be grateful, and enjoy and appreciate those around us. That's the key to life. Appreciation, thankfulness. Can't beat it. All right, market. Are we going to go test this VWAP? I feel like we will. I feel like we are trying to test that. Really not getting another opportunity here on a pullback. We're just... Market is doing one of these moves where we just keep grinding higher. Well, I'm very curious. Let's see what happens at the top of the hour. At 3 o'clock, we should see some action. Enjoy them while you can. All my grandparents and parents are gone. Oh man, exactly, Dean Bishop, exactly. Like it scares me. Like it scares me when you stop and think about for me, my parents and what age my parents are, and it's just like it's like a reality check. It's like, man, oh, makes you just realize that it's crazy. Time just keeps going on. Time don't stop for nobody. All right, we have 370s just continuing to grind higher here. I should have kept a runner going. Would have had a really nice trade here. Maybe next time. Thought about trading these Apex 150K again, but I'm okay taking a small red day on those accounts. Also, the 150K accounts, these 3 accounts, for the next 5 days or 4 days, I'll just be flipping those accounts, and we have officially secured another $9,000 payout with those accounts. I guess it'll actually be 8,100. You know, one thing that doesn't get talked about enough? One thing that doesn't get talked about enough with Apex that is actually a true, like, it really is a benefit, is the fact that they only, like, you get to keep 100% of your profits up to $25,000 in profits, but it is not just for your, like, that is per account, which is, like, once you start trading, like, with Tradeify and Take Profit Trader, like, Tradeify, everything is now a 90-10 split for me, because everything, it's lifetime for your account, not per account. So I'm now at a 90-10 split with Tradeify, and then you have an 80-20 split with Take Profit Trader. And gotta say, that's something that I kind of it's easy to overlook with Apex, that you get to keep 100% of your profits up to $25,000, but that is per account, not just for your lifetime of the account that you have. So I like it. Let SAS continue to trade the Take Profit Trader account. I can trade your Tradeify accounts, no problem. Let me think about that, Mikey. Hey, Ekra, thank you. Appreciate that. Took my $30 profit on the pullback. Oh. Wait till you hit the 50s and 60s. Feels like I'm attending a funeral every month. Oh, that makes me sad, Traderist Chick. That actually makes me sad. Honestly, like, you don't think about those things. Like, I remember, like, it's kind of the same thing as when you're growing up and you're in your 20s. I remember going through that. Like, when you hit your 20s, and then all of a sudden it feels like every other month, one of your friends start to get married. And, like, they just get married, and you're like, it's just how it is. But that, I mean, obviously it would be a very different kind of feeling, but it just, again, it just reminds you life goes on, and everybody gets married, they start their own family, they kind of start doing their own thing, and it's so easy to just kind of lose, you know, you just kind of lose some of your friends that you kind of grew up with. At least I did, some of them. Not on purpose, really, but you just, all of a sudden, life comes at you, and you're like, wait a minute, I haven't seen my buddy in a year. And it's crazy how that happens. But yeah, I can only imagine that. That makes me sad thinking about what you said, Trader's Shake. Oh man, I don't even want to think about it. Why does my body hurt? Hey, Neil. I'm in my late 30s. All my friends with friends. I'm in the limbo. Diego says, I got options. What's the best advice you give to trader who's struggling in trading? What advice you give them? Definitely don't want to quit. Honestly, Neil, I mean, I was there. Like, people go back and watch my journey. You know what? And the thing is, like, when I started my YouTube channel, that's probably the one thing that I love the most about it, is when I started my YouTube channel, I didn't wait to start it until I was profitable. I started my channel when I sucked at trading. I was terrible. I went a full year without a payout, and the struggle was real. So maybe this sounds cliche, but it really is. It really is true when I say there isn't any really, like, secret sauce. There isn't really any secret sauce to it. It's more just, you have, I mean, this sounds too dumb to even say, but it really is as simple as stop doing dumb things. Like, I still do them. I want to clarify that. I am not anywhere close to being like a great trader, but at least I'm being able to get payouts. And I mean, maybe I'm moving the goalpost, but I still am I'm still not even close to like what I feel like I should be. But if I look back, I can appreciate that I've come a long way. And it's more just about not just you have to accept losses. That would be probably my biggest thing would just be you have to learn to accept losses. And I feel like especially in the prop industry, because the accounts that you purchase don't cost that much, it's almost easier sometimes just to not care. And I mean, I've done it. I've done it this past week. I lost 10 accounts with Apex a week ago. So I still struggle with it, but you have to get to a place where you're doing less dumb things more frequently. The span of where you're doing dumb things is wider and wider apart and further apart. So that's the biggest thing is just like that. Yeah, and honestly, Kid Poker, you're on a similar trajectory. Like, I love seeing you being able to secure payouts now. Like, for the longest time, Kid Poker, I know you would admit to this. Like, you were really struggling. But it just takes a couple times. Like, if you are willing to walk away from a red day, that first time you walk away when you really, really don't want to, but you do it. You have the discipline to walk away, and then you come back the next day, and maybe you have a nice green day, like that. I don't know, something in your brain clicks to where you kind of start to actually believe that walking away from a red day is actually a good thing, and it becomes a little bit easier to do the next time. But it's a progression. It's a progression, and it takes time. And it isn't easy. I always tell people it's not easy, man. There's a lot of pain and suffering. You have to be a little bit crazy in the head to be a day trader. You got to be a little bit insane, and you definitely have to be really, really stubborn. Like, stubborn in the way that you're not going to give up. That's, I feel like, is a must, even though sometimes that's like counterintuitive when you're in a trade because the stubbornness will come out at the wrong time. But it's a fun journey, man. The highs are high and the lows are low. I will tell you that. Like, it is. Can we just go back to when all YouTubers were failing accounts? Why? Why, Zaba? The midget, why? Trading can become an addiction. I agree. Yeah, be happy with a $100 day. See, I never really struggled so much with walking away from a green day. If it was I trade better and I have a better track record of getting payouts if I trade with prop firms that have a consistency rule. Like, I know that for a fact. Like, I have the proof is in the pudding. And it is easy to, like, I don't know why. Like, it seems counterintuitive, but the fact that the consistency rule just prevents me, it basically helps me to walk away from green days. I have zero desire to continue trading when I'm green on an account that has a consistency rule, where if I'm trading on an account that has no consistency, I struggle with getting too greedy. And I think I'm going to run up the account to, insane amounts, and it just never ends well. All right, we have our first pullback here. If we can get a little bit of a consolidation here, I'm really worried about this 3 o'clock hour. Once 3 o'clock comes around, I want to see. Hey, Pine Tree, thanks for the 10, man. I really appreciate you. Well said. I've been following your journey forever. I used to be Trader J. Oh, I see. Oh, that's great to know. I never knew that, Pine Tree. in the chat long ago, congrats on us, yes, with YouTube and trading. It's inspiring. Thank you. I appreciate that, Pine Tree, and good luck on your journey. I love what you're doing, Pine Tree. Keep it up. Hey, Amelia Stitcher in the house. How we doing, Amelia? Good to see you. Good to see you. Silver Mountain Trading. Do you have any advice for someone starting a YouTube channel, live trading journey? Yeah, I mean, I do. Like, I also feel kind of, you know, I really do believe this. Like, I feel like I also got lucky with YouTube because, I don't know, like, I mean, some of the luck is, I don't know if you consider it lucky or not, but I do feel like when I started my YouTube channel 2 years ago in this space, it was not nearly as consolidated as it is now. Like, I feel like now there's way more competition, so to speak, with like a smaller following that are doing the live trading sessions. Like, and part of, like, I love to see people starting their own channel. I think it's awesome. But it is a lot more congested than it was 2 years ago. And a lot of that has to, I mean, I don't know, it's just part of how it goes. But the main thing I would say with starting a YouTube channel is consistency. Like, you have to be consistent. If you have a consistent schedule, that is a very important. But then the other part of being a streamer is you have to engage. You have to engage, and people are not going to listen, or people are not going to tune in if you don't engage as much, or at least not as much as if you engage. So it just depends. It depends also what you're looking for. There's different strokes for different folks, but probably being consistent is the biggest thing. And I mean, at first, when you start a YouTube channel, you got to do it because you like it. Because those first months, maybe even year, is going to be a grind. It is going to be a grind with very little benefits to it. So it's a grind. I don't know. I never had a payout. I'm struggling. Depeche and Saw. I mean, yeah, like, and I've been there, and it's not fun. It's not fun struggling, man. I totally get it. I don't really, I kind of hate it because I don't have any magic word that I can say that will just be like, oh, that fixed it, and now I'm a profitable trader. There is no such thing. It's just, I feel like everyone has to go through their own journey, and you just gotta, the main thing is make sure that you're actually making progress. If you're blowing an account every day, right? Like, if you, like, maybe you get a funded account and you always blow the account the first day, then focus on keeping the account for 2-3 days. And whatever it takes to do that. If that means just trading one micro, whatever it takes, just show that you can make progress, because trading is a huge part of it is confidence. And if you just continuously blow accounts the first day, it's very difficult to, the psychological part of it is, it's really difficult. And you have to show your brain that you are making progress. If not, it just becomes so deflating. All right, market. We are coming up on the 3 o'clock hour. Here it is. Let's see what happens. Very curious what we do here this last hour. We could, I don't know. I might be wrong. I think we're going lower. I think we're going to roll over here, and I think we're going to test the lows, but I might be wrong. Let's see. Maybe we go test the VWAP here. If we look at the daily chart, if we have a very strong close to the day, like if we can close at the 570s or higher, if we can close at the 570s or higher on the daily chart, that seems like a stretch, but if we can do that, that would be a pretty bullish sign on the daily chart, at least temporarily. I need to go get my water. Hang on. Some time. Don't look at the P&L and just trade. Yep. Yeah, knowing how close you are, that is, I hear you, Trader's Chick. Definitely. Yeah, be prepared to stream to no one. Very true, Trader's Chick. And be okay with it. Be okay with it. Almost don't care about viewers for the first, like, just do it for yourself. Is probably, that's really good advice. Wait, Trader's Chick, did you secure a payout? Trader's Chick, did I hear that right? Also, DM, how long does Apex take to actually deposit the money in your account after being approved? Usually within a couple days. Oh, just pass him. You'll hear me when I get to payout. Let's go, Trader's Chick. Hey, good luck. Good luck, man. Good luck. Pine Tree Trader says, learn to talk to yourself. I love it. I love it. Out loud. Yeah, it feels really weird. I remember talking to yourself. It's like, wow, this is awkward. I hear you, man. I hear you. All right, we're testing this 390, about to test that 400 level. I could have taken an entry right here, but prefer to see a little bit more consolidation before we jump in. Let's see what we do here. I'm so tempted here to Oh, by the way, did anybody watch the Creator Classic last night? That Creator Classic was hilarious. Trent from Barstool Sports, he hit 4 balls in the into the water. Oh, that was too funny. Hey, good afternoon, Matty Matt. How we doing? Been 3 months and I still don't have an affiliate use. Yeah, you know what, Matty? If I go to buy more, I will use it. I will. How do I apply for payouts in Take Profit Trader? I don't see the links on the dashboard. ERP, so you will see it on the let me see if I can show you without revealing any information I shouldn't. I can't really use, but if you open, like if you go to your pro account and you click on your pro account, right where it says close account, right below that, once you're eligible for a payout, right below that in yellow, it will say withdraw. it'll give you that option to withdraw right below the close account, is how that works. Wow, look at this rejection. Did not even make it to VWAP or the 400s. This is kind of against my... Not sure what I want to do here. Take Profit Trader is better than Apex, Depeche. Hey, there you go. That's what you want to use. That's fine with me. It is. Take Profit Trader is better than Apex for daily payouts and definitely have less rules. I think you have a valid point for a better return on investment. I like both. I like both options. What is my strategy for the tape road to success? I love your question. You're gonna love my answer. My answer for my strategy for my Take Profit Trader Pro account, my strategy is to pick a random person in chat and to let them trade the account. That is legit my strategy. As crazy as it sounds, that is what we're doing. And we are $570 away from getting above the buffer. We are going to have a celebration once that happens. I'm telling you. Let's go, Steven. Let's go. You just let me know if you see another trade. Let's go. All right, this is the moment of truth. Let's see if we're going to roll over or not. I don't know. I just feel like we've had so much. I don't know. I think we're going to roll over here in the afternoon before close. I think we make new lows. Am I going to trade it? I'm not sure. I'm kind of scared. I'm scared of the bulls and what they can do toward end of day. But if I do see a good short setup, I think I will take it on the Apex accounts. And we'll see what we can do. Crowdsource for the win. That's right, Amelia Stitcher. Let's go. Anyone else see liquidity purge from lunch session highs? I don't know what that means. And there she goes. Ripping lower. Down below the 300s now. Woo. By the way, guys, should I say this or not? I'm going to say this knowing that I'm probably going to jinx myself, but I'm okay with it. Even if I jinx myself, it's fine. I don't care that much. So, I don't know. Keep your eyes on the My Funded Future trading competition. That's all I'm saying. Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open for Nutty Bar. Nutty Bar's coming. When did I blow my Apex accounts? Last week I blew 5 of them, and then I thought that wasn't enough, so I blew 5 more this week. Something like that. No, it was bad. I honestly, the last 5 Apex accounts that I blew, I don't even feel that bad. It wasn't even like I was going on tilt, nothing like that. It was literally, this market is on drugs. It's insane. I was literally trading 4 micros. And I was like, it was just crazy. My stop loss was so big because of the moves that were happening that I took like 2 $700 losses in a row, and literally 4 trades later, the accounts were gone. I'm like, good game. You got me. Good game. You got me, man. When am I planning on to do more evals? I don't know. I'll get more, but for now, I just don't need them. I have plenty. I've got plenty of accounts the way it is, and I also kind of want to punish myself, and instead of just cycling through accounts, if I lose accounts, you know what? I'm gonna wait at least 2-3 weeks, and it is what it is. Maybe I'll learn if I don't, you know. I don't know. I'm not in the mood to I'm not in the mood to pass evals. I despise it. Actually hate passing evals. But if Apex does a 90% sale, something like that, then I will probably do it. But by the way, today, what is today's date? Yeah, Zach. Oh, it is Thursday. Oh. Today is actually the last day of the Apex 80% sale. Tonight at midnight is the last day, and I do have confirmation. I do have confirmation that the sale is actually going to end tonight at midnight. They are not going to extend it again. So I don't know what that means. I don't know what kind of promotion they're going to run, but it is going to end tonight. Makes me a little bit nervous because in the past, they have kind of, I just don't want to see them. If they go like 2 weeks with no sale, I'm going to be a little bit irritated that I didn't just get some now. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait and just, I'll survive. I'll survive. That just tells me I'm going to blow all my accounts. No, Matty Matt, don't say that. Hey, Orlando picked up another code with another account with my code. Let's go, Orlando. I appreciate that. Thank you. You know what, guys? I'm gonna wait. Does it matter? I'm actually gonna do a giveaway tonight. I was gonna do a giveaway for some Apex accounts today, but the accounts would actually mean, and the account giveaways would actually be way more valuable if we do the giveaway when there's only a 50% sale. Right? Or do you want to do the giveaway today? I mean, I guess it's up to you when you want to use it. So if you want to wait and use it tomorrow, but oh, I don't know. I'm trying to think what's better. We could do both. Actually, we can do both. We can do a giveaway today and we can do a giveaway tomorrow. We can do both. We'll split it up and we'll do 3 and 3. We'll give away 3 Apex accounts today and then we'll give away 3 more tomorrow. Let's do that. Have a giveaway for Amish baked goods in Chicago area, please. Oh, you know what? That would be fun. My wife, okay, I'm dead serious. My wife makes the best cookies you will ever taste in your whole life. No doubt. No lie, no cap. The best cookies you will ever taste. When she makes them, they don't last long at all. And this is why I currently struggle with, I need to go on diets all the time. We should get her to make cookies and we have a nice plate of cookies and we do a giveaway and you get a plate of cookies. Not a bad idea. I might have to talk to the wife about that. We might have to do that. Those, I'm telling you, those are some good cookies. Just give them to me for a job well done. Stephen Arthur. Win cookies. I want more of that. I want that more than a free account. I trust me. No, I've been, I mean, I went on my 3 day, I went on a 3 day fast and came back. I was eating pretty well, and now I've kind of fallen off the wagon again. I don't know. I don't know. I right now my desire to eat good food is just higher than my desire to lose weight. I don't know how else to put it. Right now, I enjoy eating good food more than I like weighing less. It's just that simple. When I get to a point of decision, I'm like, oh, wow, do you want to eat a nutty bar? That's really, really good. Or do you want to lose weight? And it's just like, yeah, give me a nutty bar. I don't know. Uh, it is what it is. It is what it is. The lifelong struggle. Exactly. Yeah, it's like Diego. That's kind of how I look at it. I'm like, I always contemplate. I'm like, wait, why am I losing weight, first of all? That's kind of what goes through my mind. And like, yeah, I could lose about 15 pounds, especially around the midsection, just starting to get that dad bod kind of look. And then I'm like, you know what? It's not that bad, is it? Then I take off my shirt at the beach, and then I'm like, okay, we're gonna go on a diet tomorrow. This is unacceptable. Then the next morning I wake up, I see a nutty bar. I'm like, oh dear. You know what? It's not that bad. Give me that nutty bar. That is my life in a nutshell. Oh, the struggle is real. What can you do, man? All right, this is interesting. Boy, this is actually tempting me. Oh, this is. I'm going to do it. Retested this. I'm just going to have my stop right here. If we break above this, we're going to take our L. Oh, I just hit the wrong button. I hit the wrong button, you idiot. All right, it's fine. No panic. Don't panic. I hit sell again instead of buy. I need this to go break this. Really needs this to be broken right here. I don't like that. I should have taken another one off right there. I messed up by not taking that one off. Don't want to get trapped short here. Come on, keep going. Keep going. It's being stubborn. Trying to think if I want to leave one runner to see if we don't make a new low. But we're not selling through this fast enough for my liking. Come on. Don't stop me out. Come on. Doing the wicks. It's just impossible to get a runner going if you have a stop like this. Come on. Yeah, we're going to get stopped here, I think. Yeah, well. We might go again. We might go again here. See what happens. John, next year will be the Speedo man on the beach. That will not happen, John. Don't let it happen. If you see that happen, John, I need you to come get me. Come get me, put me in a home somewhere, okay? You have my permission. Come get me, put me in a home. Lock me up. We might have a case here of me taking me being a little bit too impatient on some of these. I'm actually kind of okay with these accounts where they're at. John will join me. I'll tell you what, John. If you join me, like every day we're gonna have a little bit of a typing lesson. We're gonna go through the typing lessons, and we're gonna get you. We're gonna get your fat fingers. We're gonna get them fixed up. Fat Thor, it's past my bedtime. It is actually. You're not wrong. It is. It is past my bedtime. I think where I'm gonna have some regrets here. Maybe. So far, this 3 o'clock hour has been pretty meh. All right, guys. All right, we are going to open now for an account we are going to do 3 Apex account giveaways. Exclamation mark Nutty. Exclamation mark Nutty. 3 Apex account giveaways, any size account, and also I believe these codes will also work for Trade-of-8, Rhythmic, or Wealth Charts giveaways. So we are going to do a duck race. We're going to pick 15 names, and then we're going to have a duck race, and the top 3 in the duck race will be getting free Apex accounts. Good luck. Let's do this. Let's do this. Wow, I messed up, folks. I knew it. I knew I should have held. Why was I such a chicken? I don't know, man. This is starting to feel... I hate jumping in here, but it's tempting. Down we go. 270s now. Oh, I did not hold. Sad. That is a sad day. You hate to see it. Now I'm very curious to see if we'll do like a trap here. If we do a trap here, like a rip higher, then I might jump in. If we don't trap here, is this is just gonna roll over and test the low a day. Man, that was so dumb. Why did I move my stop there? That's so dumb. I hate when I do my stop to break even. I actually hate it. I know you missed the move. Do you recommend chasing, AN? I try not to chase. I try not to. Every time I do, when I don't chase, it would have worked, but when I chase, it never works. So just keep that in mind. That seems to be like how it works. Man, oh man. This makes me sad. Oh my gosh, look at that ripple. Oh, oh. This hurts my soul. Chasing and DCA are my middle names. Let's go. Oh, man. Man. All right, maybe we get a pullback where we can re-enter. Maybe. It's 3:30. It's always a little bit I'm not a professional after. I don't want to trade after 3:45. After 3:45, then it's just a bad idea. Man, look at that. It's looking so bearish now. I just want to see this come back into this 281 area, somewhere in here. And we will jump in again, see if we can't hold. Gotta do better at holding there. come on. Yeah, 350. I am not trading that. That does not sound like a good time. Okay, giveaway is over. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh no, did you miss it? Hang on, I'll open it up again. Kid Poker, go ahead. I'll open it again. I'll open it for a little bit. Exclamation mark Nutty if you want to get in. Do it quickly. Do it fast. Do it schnell. Double schnell. They just keep coming. They just keep coming. You guys are crazy. Okay, I'm gonna close it now, guys. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it. Closing in 3, 2, 1. Closed. Man, I kind of want to. Kind of interested to see what we do here. Guys, I'm going to keep. I'm going to pick the winners, but I'm going to do it on my other screen so I can keep an eye on this chart. Because I am kind of interested here, possibly on a short entry, depending what happens here. And I don't want to miss it. All right, I'm just gonna. You guys can see the name that gets picked in the chat. We're gonna pick 15 names. The top 3 will win an Apex account. Here we go. Hey, Mr. Knife Art. Mr. Knife Art with a chance at a free account. Let's go, Mr. Knife Art. Good luck. All right, next name is going to be Ali S. Ali S. Next name, Ario Jimenez. Let's go. Got some OGs in here. Next name, Mark Loftus. Mark Loftus. Good luck, sir. Max 90W. Max 90. Nicely done. Next name, SR. SR. Good luck, sir. All right. Next name, Diego. Let's go, Diego. Diego is in. Next name, MB. MB. Congratulations. Good luck, sir. And next name, Anonymous. Anonymous Giraffe. Anonymous Giraffe. Good luck, sir. Next name, Bornero Trades. Bornero Trades. Okay, now we need to eliminate 5 names. Don't worry, you're still in the duck race. Don't worry. Okay, I'm watching here. I need to see a little bit of consolidation here before I take my short entry. I'm not going to take it on one candle. I stopped doing that. Okay, next name is going to be, whoops. Next name, Kingston. Kingston Finest. Kingston Finest with a chance. Good luck, sir. Next name, John. John King. John King with a chance. Not John, the OG John, but John King. All right. Good luck, sir. Man, this is so tempting me, though. I said I won't do it, and I'm not going to do it. All right, here's the next name. Kawu. Kawu. Good luck. Next name is going to be Steve. Our good friend Steve. And the final name for the duck race is going to be Bald Eagle Trader. Bald Eagle Trader. Let's go. All right, let me copy. All right. Is this safe? Let me just think here before we just... Man, I'm so tempted here. I can't do it. Let's just do the duck race so I don't get triggered into taking a bad trade here. This is... Oh, man. You know what? We're going to do the duck race. Let's do the duck race. Can we all see the duck race? Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. All right, let's make sure we got sound. Testing sound. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I all wish you very much luck. I wish you as much luck as man can wish. Here we go. Hang on, let me make this bigger. That's fine. You guys can see. Okay, here we go. And they are off. Taking, we got Snowman. Now, this is a very controversial duck here. Supposedly, this duck has a unique advantage, having a 2-inch larger beak than the other ducks. We will have to do a full investigation if this duck wins. But for the moment, we've got a 3-way tie in the first place. Bernero Trades takes the early lead. We got Bald Eagle Trader trying to make a push. Here comes SR contesting for the lead. Bernero Trades is holding everybody off. He's got a half a length of lead. Bald Eagle Trader in clear second place. Here comes the famous red duck. Diego Lama is got the famous and lucky red duck. Can he pull it out? He's contesting for the lead. He's got a half a length to go, and now he's fallen back. Bernero Trades maintains the lead, but here comes Kawu. Kawu now contesting, and neck. Here's Kingston's Finest. Now Kingston's Finest takes the lead with 45 seconds to go. Mr. Knife Art at the bottom of your screen is trying to make a push. Here comes MB. Purple Duck now trying to make a move, and MB now takes the early lead with 30 seconds to go. And then we have John King, the Spider-Man. John King in second place. Here comes Mark Loftus and Mr. Knife Art. It's very contested at the front. John King and Steve. Mark Loftus and Mr. Knife Art. Can Mr. Knife Art hold it out? 10 seconds to go. Go, Mr. Knife Art. Go. Go, Mr. Knife Art. No. He fell down. Here comes MB. MB takes the lead. MB wins it. No! Oh, Mr. Knife Art, I thought you were going to do it. Oh, I thought you were going to do it. You just couldn't hold it. And then your duck fell down. What happened? You tripped. You fell down flat on your face. You hate to see it. Oh, you hate to see it. MB takes the win. Now, I'm not sure. First, second, and third place here will get a free account. Here it is. And we've got MB in first place. We've got Bald Eagle Trader coming in second place. And then a very close, not that close, we got Ali S in third place. Mr. Knife Art fell down. Somehow he ended up in 14th place. He was leading with 10 seconds to go. You hate to see it. That's unfortunate. Anonymous Giraffe brings home the last place trophy. You hate to see it. We got Diego Lama in 10th place, John King in 11th place, Max 90 in 8th. Oh, we've got, anyway, there it is. MB, Bald Eagle Trader, and Ali S. Congratulations. Very nicely done. All right, let me tell you where to send your information to. And that concludes the duck race. Let's go. Oh, geez, I almost chatted the wrong person. Oh, dear. Okay. Okay, right there, that is my email address. First, second, and third place, please send me an email with a screenshot of your YouTube channel just to make sure it's you, and we will get you that code for the free account. Congratulations again, and it would have been very interesting if that snowman duck would have won. That long beak feels like that is not, that's a different, that's a little bit of an advantage there. Of course, we continue lower, and I just miss out. I definitely, it is what it is. I like when we consolidate a little bit before we go lower, and we just never did. A risky play would have been to short right below these lows, but we didn't. It is what it is. It is what it is. Hey, Bald Eagle Trader, you are most welcome. Oh, man. Kingston's Finest make it 4. I'm a close 4th. Oh, man. I'm sorry, Kingston Finest. I'm sorry. You know what? You can send me an email. Maybe I can find something. But then everybody's going to want one. Oh, man. I demand a recount. You know what would be really funny, guys? You know how you can take your points? Like, I'm pretty sure there's a way to do this, but I don't know how yet. Or maybe you can only do it on Twitch. I'm not sure, but I know that you can, like, you know how you can bet, you can gamble your points? We should set it up that you can gamble which duck will win. And then whatever the odds are, like that's how many more points you will accumulate. We should figure that out somehow. You guys would be on steroids if we would do a duck race and then whoever's duck wins, they get that amount of points. You guys would be, it probably wouldn't, I'm not even sure we could do it. Because the amount of accusations that we already have about a rigged duck race, it would be even worse. We might have to do full-scale investigations. Get the SEC involved, possibly. It would be off the chain. You almost made it to the duck race. Does that count? Not really. It will kind of count. I'll overnight a cookie. All right, market. I completely missed this trade. This is what I don't like about. We literally called it. I literally called it here. I said, I don't believe this move higher. I think we're going to go test the lows again. There's nothing that frustrates me more than when I say that and then I don't take any trades actually. Well, we did take a trade here, but that is a pretty pathetic excuse of a trade right there. You hate to see it. You hate to see it. Call the FBI and the CIA. That's right. Exactly. I'll get them all on speed dial. We'll do a full investigation every duck race we do, and we will verify that the duck race game is in fact not rigged. It is on the up and up. Everything passes. All regulations are passed in flying colors. I'm telling you, nothing shady going on over here. Oh dear. Wait, Take Profit Trader says $1 million madness bracket challenge. What are we doing? What? Traders. This is from Take Profit Trader. With it's NCAA March Madness basketball tournament kickoff next week. Third annual, a chance to win $1 million, chance to win 25 grand, a chance to win 1,000. Don't tempt me with a good time. Oh yeah, 100% free to play. Due to certain rules, only people in the U.S. or Canada, excluding Quebec, can enter. Oh, really? Now we're going to discriminate? It's unfortunate. Register now as entries are limited. Oh. Did you guys get this email? Or did they only send it to the special people? Just kidding. I'm not special. Well, I'm kind of special, if you know what I mean. Wink, wink. I'm special in my own special way. Okay, Ali S. I got your information. Let's go. Hey, Steven, thank you. Great job today. Great job today trading. Very nicely done. Executed to perfection. Thank you, Steven. Oh yeah, we got the we are not doing the murder bot. Murder bot, we don't trade it here. Nope, we're not doing that. So okay, let me. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it here. I'm not gonna trade the last 15 minutes here. I am gonna call it good, and we will be back in the morning. Can you believe it, guys? I know it's shocking and it's hard to believe, but I will trade tomorrow morning. Let me rephrase. I will stream tomorrow morning, 9:25, like normal. Call your friends. Tell your mom. Tell your dad. Tell them Nutty's back. All right, guys. Take care, everybody. And thanks for tuning in this afternoon. I appreciate it. Hit the like button on your way out. And we will catch you in the morning. Take care, everybody. and God bless.